Question 1. Cos inverse x is bigger than cos inverse x square. So if we plot, okay, this is what? Cos inverse x. This is cos inverse x. If we see for value between 0 to 1, if we take square, it will come out to be somewhere deeper. And it is again square. So it will be what? Reflection reflection of x-axis on y. So it will again come out to be this. So where cos inverse x is bigger than cos inverse square x. So these are the points where it is bigger. Except this one and except this one. For whole point it is bigger. I consider. Yes. Is this correct? So we can have x. So x belongs to -1, -1 to 1, minus 0 and 1. Is this correct? Yes, this is correct. By graph we can see this. Okay, okay. At 1, at cos inverse 1, y 0. Okay. So this is the value we are getting. We'll move to question number 2. If you see question number 2, it is simply arc cot arccot x minus 3 into arc cot x minus 2 is bigger than 0. So from here what we get? On if we plot on number line, it is what? 3 and 2 plus minus plus. So it is bigger than 3, less than 2. So now we'll plot on number line. When you don't get anything, just plot a number line. After that, cot inverse x graph is this. This is pi, this is 0. So this is what we have. Now we are told that we have one line. This is what? At pi by 2 it intersect. So but we have one line 2, one line y equals to 2, and one line y equals to 3. Y equals to 3. We are told that cot inverse x is less than 2. So these are the point for which it is less than 2. And cot inverse x is bigger than 3. So these are the point it is bigger. So what are the value of x then? Then we can say that x belongs to cot inverse x equals to 2. It is from 0 to cot 2 union cot 3 to infinity. It is minus infinity to cot 3. This is the solution. Now we'll move to next question. Before that we would now we'll move to question number third. And this we are getting one thing that cot inverse x is bigger than 3. So it's a decreasing function. So x will be less than cot 3. This could be something. But on graph we are getting something different. Let's continue with the third question. Sine inverse x bigger than minus 1. Then first what we'll do? We'll plot a coordinate axis and draw a sine inverse graph. This is minus 1. This point is minus 1. And this point is 1. We are told that sine inverse x is bigger than minus 1. So this is minus pi by 2. This is pi by 2. It is bigger than minus 1. So these are the values that will come. So at sine min, this is what? Minus sine 1. So x belongs to minus sine 1 to 1. This is the answer. Now we'll move to question number 4. Question number 4. We are given that cos inverse x is less than 2. We'll first plot a coordinate axis. And then we'll have a cos inverse x graph, which is like this. This is minus 1, this is 1, this is 0, this is pi. This is what, pi by 2. So we are told that cos inverse x is less than cos 2. This is y equals to 2. So it is less than. So which part will come here? This part will come. So from here what we will get? We'll get this value to be cos 2. Cos 2, okay? So x belongs to cos 2 to 1. Question number 5. Cot inverse x is less than minus root 3. We will be having a coordinate axis. All the questions are solved using graph only, okay? So cot inverse x graph is this. We are told that this is pi by 2, this is pi, this is 0, minus root 3 is somewhere here. No, minus root 3, cot inverse x is less than minus root 3. For any value x, it will be positive. This is not minus root 3 is what? This side. Y is minus root 3. In cot inverse, we'll put minus infinity plus infinity to infinity as input. The output will be in theta, 0 to pi. So if it is less than, so it is bigger than, yes. Cot inverse x is always positive, 0 to pi. So x equals to phi for not value of x, no any value of x. Cos inverse x is also between 0 to pi. So in no any value for this.